presenting the 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear head airbag, multi-zone AC, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, adjustable steering wheel, brake assist, and passenger airbag sensor. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.